Harry, do you like my bow? Harry, do you like my bow? Do you like my bow, Harry? There we go. Oh, he loves me. Are you much more comfortable that way, Harry? I'm over this way, darling. I'm over here. Harry, I'm over here. Harry, I'm over here. Do you like your blanket, Harry? Oh, I guess not. Yeah, you like that, don't you, Harry? I knew you would. Just don't resist. I know what's best for you. Don't resist. Precious. Hey, Precious. Hi. Hello. Hi. 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 Oh, we might have a standoff. Precious versus Harry. Hey, Harry. What's the plan of attack, Harry? Precious? I am almost certain that something snap-worthy is going to happen here today. I'm going to leave it in Harry's hands. Precious seems pretty comfortable at the moment, just having a bit of a bath. Okay, it seems we have movement from Harry. He's now sitting behind me. I must be his protection or something. The Harry has disappeared inside. Precious, on the other hand, is still bathing. It seems like Harry might have actually... Wow! That was good TV right there. Oh, look at that cranky little Harry. No cats were harmed in the making of this film. I'm just at the gym, but just realised that I've still got my lippy on. Is that weird?